Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a vehicle with timing chain. Most of you think you don't need to replace it guys, but if you're in the process of replacing it, and some vehicles do need it replaced, we're going to explain that as we go. And you wonder why it costs so much to replace that timing chain? Stay with us and we'll explain guys. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you need to buy timing chain, tools, parts for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts from for a good price, quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys, provided to you for free. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Alright, all that being said guys, let's explain why it costs so much to replace timing chain. Okay, let's start by the fact that some of you think timing chains don't need to be replaced. Well, that used to be back in the day, but now chains are not so fat, they're pretty lightweight. Another thing, the plastic guides are not like they used to be back in the day, metal guides. So this one failed only at 71,000 miles. Okay, 71,000 miles. It broke in multiple places. We were lucky enough, we didn't jump the timing. But that's on another BMW, okay, that exploded guys at 87,000 miles. We got everything in pieces. And we jumped 3 teeth on the intake camshaft, but we were lucky enough that we didn't smash the valves. So we were able to save the engine, but most people are not so lucky and that costs you probably somewhere between $5,000 and $10,000 guys. So you don't want that to happen on a newer vehicle. Now, why it costs so much? Due to the fact guys, that timing chain replacements are complicated. You need to remove valve cover. Often you need to remove engine mounts. You will need special tools. For instance, we need not 1, 2, 3, but 4 special tools. One holding the camshafts here. Another tool will be aligning the variable timing sprockets. Then we have 3 more tools. So we have 5 tools together, guys. One for the TDC pin, top dead center pin, flywheel holder tool, and we need a special tool to align, in some cases, the oil pump counterbalance shaft. Okay, now that's where it gets expensive. First, you need special tools. They're expensive. Second, it takes quite a bit of work. You need to remove your oil pan, and that itself is a job, guys. In most cases, oil pan will need to come out. You will need special tools. You will need quite a bit of work and assembly, guys. And if you're going that route, I'll tell you one thing. Don't be cheap, guys. Replace the whole kit, chain, guides, and I'll even recommend to do the VVT gear so you don't have to do the job again in the near future. Also, often guys, when you remove crankshaft bolts, things like that, they need to be replaced after every removal. So that makes the process even more expensive. But we have multiple videos that explains how to replace timing chain, and I'll share some of them in the description of the video below. Check it out, everything from start to finish, and you can see the process. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.